What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, what you see in front of you here is the top 6 LEGO garage accessories, or at least part 2 of the top 6 LEGO garage accessories. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first up, we've basically got like an assortment of tanks as well as like a jerry can. And yeah, tanks like these can basically be found in like a lot of different garages. And yeah, they serve a lot of different purposes. And they definitely look great in like the background of like a garage scene or something like that. Yeah, they definitely like spice up your builds. To go along with these tanks, we've also got this jerry can that I designed. And yeah, I think it looks really good. And I mean, definitely fits in with like a garage. Like, let's be honest, I've never actually really seen a garage, I feel like, without a jerry can in it. And yeah, that's basically the first set of ideas. Alright, next up we've basically got this welder right here, and yeah, it actually also goes along with these tanks right here because they can basically like house like the gas used to weld with. And yeah, I basically built this off of a picture I found online, and yeah, I think it came out looking pretty good. It uses sort of a unique technique for this like grill up here, but you know, it definitely works. And yeah, this is just one of those builds that, I mean, you can basically get pretty creative with, as like there's a lot of different welder designs out there. And yeah, it also looks good in like a lot of scenes as well, if you have like a minifigure like welding something. And with that said, let's move on to the next idea. Alright, so next up we've basically got like your classic mechanics table. Of course, these are like the ones that you see in like a lot of different shops. And yeah, I feel like they're always painted red, and they've got these like wooden like tops to them. And yeah, I think this one came out looking really good. It's also got this little vise on the side, as well as your trusty old can of WD-40 up here. Yeah, overall, this is just like a great addition to any like garage or mechanic shop. So yeah, let's move on to the next idea. Alright, so while this next idea may not be like car related, it's definitely garage related, as I see like a lot of people with these in their garages. And yeah, it'd basically be like a treadmill, or I guess more broadly like any kind of workout machine. Yeah, you can get pretty creative with the designs here. I think this one actually came out looking really good, and definitely fits into like a garage, or like if you have a lounge in your garage like mine. And yeah, I guess with that said, let's move on to the 5th idea. Okay, so 5th up we have this tire balancing machine. And yeah, in real life, basically what it would do is it would spin up your wheel and tire combo, and basically like on the screen it would tell you like if there's any imbalances and basically all the diagnostics. At least that's what I think it does. I never actually used one of these, so feel free to correct me. Yeah, so that's basically what this machine is, and I think it looks great, especially in like a garage setting. And yeah, with that said, let's move on to the next idea. Okay, so last up we have this, which isn't really a build, but it's more of a thing that I see in a lot of garages, which is just like empty crates and stuff with a lot of like random spare parts. This is like sort of just a default crate, but you can honestly make like any kind of design, like any shelves, crates, anything, just yeah, storage basically. And yeah, that would basically be the last idea for this video. Alright everyone, that'll basically wrap up today's video. And yeah, first of all, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you liked like all the builds. Yeah, see you guys in the next video, which will be of a new mock. I know I haven't like made a video about a new mock in a while, but yeah, next video will be a new mock. So yeah, stay tuned and see you in the next one.